NOKIA N90 lower block disassembly and assembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You'll need two SRT6s, an SS57, a torque driver, a Torx driver size 6+, metal tweezers, a slotted screwdriver, and a DC plug. Protect the windows with plastic film. Unlock the battery cover and remove it. Two screws are concealed under the glued-on B cover trim. Release the trim with the SRT6. Unscrew the two screws and remove them. Remove the E cover and the D cover. Two more screws are under the I cover trim. Use two SRT6s to release this trim as shown. Unscrew and remove the two screws. Remove the eye cover by releasing all plastic clips with the SRT6. Close the unit and unlock the E cover on both sides. Now the E cover can be easily removed. Remove the key mat by lifting it vertically. Remove the MMC port cover. Carefully lift up the side key assembly, paying attention to the flex foil. Unlock both clips of the retainer plate. Separate the retainer plate from the side key bezel. Remove the joystick hat. One of the screws is located under the flex connector. Carefully open this connector with the SRT6. Unscrew the four screws in the order shown. Ease the BB shield assembly off its guide pin as shown. Lift off the BBC shield assembly. Open the flex connector and then insert the SS57 opening tool as shown. Lever the connector upwards and pull it vertically to release it completely.